There you go, siren test. I'm going to go on a different exit. Normally I go out that way. Actually, duh, that would be the best exit. Oh, derp. I thought the siren was that way, but no, it isn't. Gotta get out of here before this person. That lower pitch is coming from the bus, not a siren. Whoa, 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 whoa. iPad was sliding down in its case. Here we go. It doesn't seem that loud that time. Look at that blue thing there. It's like a container. That was the bus too. She's finally pulling away. Boy, that's got a loud engine. Well, there you go, folks. Siren test. Was that one winding down there? Could have been. But anyways, there you go. Siren test.